Hi everyone, James here from TechSway with a quick look at Samsung's portable SSD, the T5. The previous version, the Samsung T3, was a favourite among video creators who needed a lot of fast stores for editing their video on the go. Now, with creators using 4K more than ever, the newer Samsung T5 is the perfect solution, especially for those looking for a scratch disk to do video editing on the fly. Now, on the Samsung T5, we actually get the second generation USB 3.1 port and faster VNAND flash than we did on the predecessor. So now you can actually get transfer speeds of up to 540 megs per second, and these drives themselves come in 4 different capacities with similar pricing to the older T3 variants that it's actually replacing. On the Samsung T5, we get second generation USB 3.1 port and a faster VNAND flash, so this can now transfer speeds of up to 540 megs per second. Now, these drives themselves come in 4 different capacities with similar pricing to the older T3 versions that it's actually replacing. So the one I've actually got here that you see in the video is a 500GB edition, but it also comes in 250GB, 1TB and 2TB. Now price wise, they'll get expensive at the top 1 or 2TB editions, but if you're someone that's ever owned a MacBook Pro, then you guys and girls especially will know that the storage gets way more expensive if you wanted to build that into your MacBook Pro than the price that you would actually pay for one of these. Now, connection wise, in the box we get 2 USB cables, which are USB A to C and USB C to C. So if you're running these with the latest mobile phones, motherboards in your PC or MacBooks, then you'll be getting the fastest transfer speeds possible. For those with older devices, well, you'll be using the USB A to C with slightly slower speeds. Now, for the design, not much has changed since the previous version, apart from it's now all metal rather than a mix between plastic and metal that you saw on the T3. It's also about the same size, weight, width and thickness, but personally I love the blue colour of the T5. I think it's something that really gives it a more premium look compared to its older version, and whilst you can get it in black when you go for the 1 or the 2TB ones, I just think that the blue on this looks fantastic. Now, when it comes to actual performance, you'll see a read and write speed of approximately 540 and 510 megabytes respectively if you're using a USB 3.1 Gen 2. Now, when you compare that against the old T3, you're looking roughly about 60 to 100 megabytes improvement. So whilst it's not a huge gain, it's respectable, and this is still one of the fastest USB drives you'll find on the market. What I also love about this drive is that it comes formatted in exFAT, meaning that you can use it across both Windows, Apple and other devices straight out of the box without any hassle. But overall, it's a great but expensive portable SSD, which is still one of the best for those who need speed above all else. Now, if you like what you see in this video and want the chance of actually winning this device, then go check out the video description, hit those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you all again in my next video.